one of your favorite coins.
Yeah, it's one of those ones that it's filled with frustrations and potential patterns and opportunities that really is yet to fulfill anything from a bullish side. There's not a lot to say about Shiba that hasn't been said before. Clearly, the May 19th low at 607 is a governing level. We'll see that we did undercut but close back above. We did undercut and close back above, and then we did close below here recently, only to come back up. I think if you're eager, like the case with Doge, and you wanna buy, I don't think it's a bad time to take the opportunity, at least do a pilot buy in Shiba Inu. I would use the low from July 20th as a stop, and I wouldn't go like on a big position. Obviously, resistance is going to materialize at the 50-day. It's interesting to note that the minute the 50-day appeared, you have pretty much a downward tilt to price action. I think that the maximum upside would be the upper trend line here of the channel, which would give you about a 35% move from the current price, which is definitely respectable within the context of the total bottoming process that's been taking place in Shiba Inu since May 21st. Other than that, I really don't have much more to add. Like I said, a daily close below, you don't want to be a part of it. Let it do its thing, and if it returns back above, use that as a buying opportunity once again, and go for the max run up to the descending or the declining trend line of the parallel channel. I'm done.
Yeah, there's really not a lot of talk about SHIB. Same here. I'm still looking at this range, unlike the channel that you're looking at. So for me, the support level, these support levels, which is 654 and 624, are really important, because back when Shiba Inu sold off here, kind of formed a local bottom here, and then swept below it and formed that total soup buy that we were just talking about, and then it spiked higher. Something similar happened here as well, but each time it fell below this level, the recovery led to a retest of the support level, and then we surged higher. Something similar happened here, and then it touched high. But right now we're seeing a lot of weakness, despite moving above these two support levels. I think we're still consolidating here, right? So unless we get a flip of this resistance into support and then a good retest of this, I'm gonna steer clear of Shiba. But even after that, we have these local tops over here, and here. So there's gonna be a lot of resistance for Shiba moving forward. So I'm a little skeptical longing Shiba, and I wouldn't recommend it. But if you do, I think the 50 fib would be a good place to take profits. But if you want to play it a little risky, probably put a trailing stop loss up to 62 fib, which comes up around 954 level, right? So from its current position, I think this is almost the same as what Sheldon mentioned, right? Yeah, 34-35%. Yeah, so this is SHIB. It's not showing bullish momentum for me right now, so I'm going to stay away from this. As for the downside, I think even if we go below this level, we're probably going to bounce off of this June 22nd low, and in a highly bearish case, I see it coming down to this level here, which is 420, which originates due to the 20th April swing high here. So yeah, that's it with Shiba.